Hi all, hope you are doing well. So the day 7 has been concluded at the Karnataka High Court and the Advocate General has started off where he left on Friday. On Friday he said that he will substantiate his argument that whether is a essential religious practice under Islam or not, to which on Friday he said that it's complete no. And today he went on to substantiate his argument by referring various judgments and observations of Supreme Court judges like Justice Chandrachud, and also he said that if hijab is essential to Islam, then it's not optional. The AGs argued the hijab could either be essential to religion or optional for followers. The petitioners are seeking a declaration of a particular dress format to become part of religious sanction so as to bind every woman who follows the Islamic faith. That is the seriousness of the claim. He said that it also shows the optional nature of wearing this and it does not form the essential religious practice under the Islam. AG, after referring various judgments where he proved that there are certain tests which has to be passed to consider that the practice is religious or it is fundamentally essential in nature or not. He said that there are three tests to determine if a practice is essential religious practice. First is that part of a core belief. Second is this practice fundamental to that religion, and the third is if that practice is not allowed, will the religion cease to exist? And he said that none of these pass the test under hijab, as it is optional in nature and not compulsory. So the petitioners are seeking the seriousness of their claims does not fall under the protection of Article 25th and 26th, as for 25th and 26th the practice needs to be essential in nature in consonance with religion. In a very interesting exchange with the Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court, the judge has asked the AG that the AG said the state has not banned hijab. So he said, if the institution permits, then will you allow? On which the AG sarcastically remarked that the practice now involves some certain constitutional issues which needs to be answered by this court. So for the which, if it is claimed to be an essential religious practice, then the court must answer to that, and we will have to see that by angle. To sum up, he said that Article 25 has different sections. To establish right under Article 25, they should first prove religious practice, then it is essential practice, then that essential religious practice does not come in conflict with the restrictions mentioned under Article 25, like public order, morality and health. The AG referred every observations which falls in his favors in the favor of state of Sabrimala judgment very crucially. He also said while referring the triple talaq case conclusions that the use of religious denomination, though significant in nature but not determinative in essentiality of practice. He meant to say that courts have central role to play in this regard. At last, Advocate G.R. Mohan rises and made a request that Child Rights Commission to provide a separate room for removing hijab, as there are some instances of teachers are asked to remove in public, to which the Advocate General said that the government is very sensitive in this issue and we will take care of it. And after that the bench rises and the hearing will start tomorrow again, on where the AG is likely to argue on other issues involved in this case. Thank you and stay tuned. And yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel.